Cooking with dry beans. Ingredients are 1 pound, which is approximately 2 cups of dry beans. You can use beans such as kidney, black, Great Northern, or black-eyed peas, and 10 cups of water. Look over dry beans and discard any small stones, dirt, or damaged beans. Use a large pot to soak beans. Add 10 cups of water for each 2 cups, or 1 pound, of dry beans. Soak for at least 8 hours in the refrigerator. Drain water and rinse beans. Cover beans with fresh water in pot. Simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. Optional quick soak. This method is handy when you don't have time to soak beans for at least 8 hours. Use cooked beans in various recipes that include canned or cooked beans as an ingredient. 1 3/4 cup of cooked beans equals 1 can of 14 to 15 ounces of beans.
Eat, Move, Save.